Are you ready to take control of your money and build a brighter future? Let's explore some of the best financial education books that can help you do just that. So this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. All right, so let me tell you something over here. Understanding money is important, but it can be confusing. You might wonder, how can I learn to manage my money better? A lot of people are wondering that. There's a lot of advice given by a lot of different people. So reading the right books can often make a big difference. And one great book is I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. I'll put it in the description so you know the spelling. It teaches you how to manage your money and to enjoy life at the same time. Another helpful book is The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. It shows you how to save and invest wisely for a secure future. If you're interested in understanding how money works in our world, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a fantastic choice. It explains how our thoughts and our feelings affect our financial decisions. So reading these books can give you the knowledge and confidence to make smart money choices. So why wait? Start your journey to financial success today. Let me know if these recommendations are good, if I helped you in any way. Like, subscribe. I love you.